Trading is extremely difficult. Very few people can be consistently profitable. And I'm sure you're well aware of what I'm talking about. You either know for a fact that you're growing your account or you're not. What I'm about to show you in this video is just how easy making money in this space can actually be if you have the right tools and strategy. That's all you need. And you've got to have some discipline and the mindset to stay disciplined. But that's another video. Just to show you quickly. And then we'll come back to this because there's a very easy strategy here that you can follow. Let's quickly go to Discord, and this is this week. I mean, you can pause the video and have a look at it, but we're making money every week and it's just getting better. Yeah, this is the kind of results that anybody can achieve if you just follow some simple rules. Okay, this trade was one of the ones I took today. And I mean, I can go through all of them. They're all going to be much the same. But the bottom line, if you want it easy, really, really easy, let's just come over here. Okay, this here, this is the channel you need. And this is how easy it is. Look, Pound Aussie set a bearish momentum sync alert for a sell. That's it. Just set the bearish momentum sync alert and take the trade when the signal fires. That's what I'm giving you. You have plenty of time. Most of these will be available through London and New York session, some through the Asian session. These are mainly set up for London and New York. Okay, we're waiting for a sell signal. Let me show you this. Pound Aussie. That's the Euro Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie. There's the signal. Now, I said wait for a momentum sync alert. Look, there it is right there. We've got other indicators as well giving us signals, right? They kicked in. You could have taken any one of those. And the strategy is you enter on the signal. Stop loss goes on the shaded cloud there, 15-minute time frame. And you look to take profit on this blue dot or these crosses. Okay, so when they kick in, you get ready to take partial profits. Now, we can get a bit more complicated with this, but look, this is how easy it is. Let me just take all of this out. You only need two indicators. That's all you need. You need that sell signal, and you need, okay, have a look down the bottom. That's it. That's your exit. This is how easy this is. It's paint by numbers. You see a sell signal, you take that trade. Stop loss, there it is. Okay. So all you got to do is just come in here and set this alert, 3 dots, add alert, and it'll be a sell. Anyway, I cover this in the mentorship videos every day. Now, if you want to take this to another level, and by the way, before I go there, I'll bring all this stuff on. You can use this to pass your prop firm challenge. You're going to be the original trader. You can use this to grow your account. Now, next level, if you want to take this and run with it, this is probably a better example. All you do is you set up this alert. See these red lines here? These red lines. All right. All you're doing is if from here down is red and price is under the red lines and you get a signal after this little square box or you see it break under this little square box, take that trade. That's it. Clear the red lines, clear the little blue box. I'll show you the box. It's all you got to do. And this, you could set your own signals and be independent here. Just look at this little box. This is the perfect setup. See that blue box? See this red signal here? You're under these, 4 of these are above. And that signal here tells you to go short pretty much. That's my trade. That's what I did today. I just took that trade. Guys, that's if you want to trade yourself, you set this up and go to town. It's as simple as that. Then you set your stop loss. Sorry, not your stop loss. Your close partial profits either at 1R or you could go for that first dot coming off this indicator. Okay, so that's there if you want to go next level with it, right? So there's two things. One, you can just follow two indicators, take that trade. If I say take the next sell signal, just take the next sell signal. That's it. You can access this. We do daily mentorship videos. Have a look here. And trade ideas, I put them all in here for you. Take the next signal. Take the next this. Take the next that. Okay, follow this. And there's your full tutorial. I'm doing these mentorship videos every day. Watch the videos and it will change your life. Turn you from a losing trader into a winning trader. Yeah, head over to the website and on the Join VIP, there's 7 days free trial. There's 3 options here. And I think you might find the Forex account management. If you use my broker, it's only $10 more a month than Gold VIP. This gives you complete hands-free passive income. Let's just go there. Click here. There's some results. You can see for yourself. I trade with 0.2% risk per trade, so I'm very conservative. I have a responsibility to protect people's accounts. However, some of my members want a bigger return. And I've got guys who have asked me to increase the position size to 0.5% per trade. And they're cleaning up. So, yeah, the Forex account management, next step up from Gold VIP, and you don't have to do anything. And you can also trade your account. Take advantage of the whole package, guys. There's nothing else out there like this anywhere, I can tell you now. Join us on this journey. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.